This is a horizontal CNC machine that simultaneously jars and taps on both sides. Equipped with dually untapping mechanisms, it can simultaneously process both sides of a product, doubly improving processing efficiency and ensuring product precision. The effective machining stroke of the Z-axis is 800 mm X-axis, 350 mm Y-axis, and 200 mm Z-axis. A T-slot work table is designed for easy clamping of products of different shapes. The spindle uses a servo-harmonical spindle to meet the processing needs of steel aluminum parts and can also use for drilling, tapping, and chamfering. The movable independent electrical cabinet integrated system uses two CNC systems to independently control the two drilling and tapping mechanisms. It can operate independently or simultaneously according to production needs, flexibly handling multi-slice processing requirements. All Duomi CNC systems support import of CAD joints to automatically generate processing programs. Without the need for manual maintenance, the system can store tens of thousands of programs. Each transmission shaft of this machine is controlled by an absolute servo motor, offering high position accuracy, stability, speed. The in-screw and gas wheels are selected from the brand of Taiwan Hanwei with strong rotation. The machine is equipped with an automatic lubrication system. It can be lubricated regularly and continuously without the manual maintenance. All Duomi dually untapping machines can be paired with machine automated loading and unloading mechanisms, reducing manpower requirements. Delivery and technical support are included, along with on-site installation, commissioning, and training. For more model introduction, follow my video account number.